न्यूयॉर्क में हुए इंडिया डे परेड का हिस्सा बने हमारे बॉलीवुड से हैंडसम हंक अर्जुन रामपाल एंड द गॉर्जियस परिणीति चोपड़ा। इन दोनों स्टार्स के अलावा क्रिकेट की दुनिया से वीरेंद्र सहवाग यहाँ मौजूद थे। सबसे पहले एनवाईसी में हो रहे इंडिया डे परेड का ये नजारा देखिए। ये नजारा वाकई में देखने लायक बनता है। जहां एनआरआईज ने यहाँ परफॉर्म किया, साथ ही द इंडियंस केम टुगेदर टू मार्च डाउन फॉर द परेड। इन सेलिब्रिटीज ने शेयर किया अपना एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस ग्रैंड इवेंट।
Well, it was just something which, we said it's too boring to stand and just float and wave, I mean, I said I'm still young and the fans wanted me to come down. So I said, okay, let's take the Indian flag and we'll race down this avenue and do it in a different way. I think it's just fun, this is fun. A parade is all about, this is absolutely incredible. I've not seen something like this. We don't celebrate Independence Day like this in India. And to watch this, it was just overwhelming. I mean, these guys are amazing. They're so far away from home, yet so patriotic.
I think feeling very proud as an Indian, and the crowd is amazing. There's so many people, so many Indian who lives in New York, come here to see the parade and to see their favorite cricketers or maybe actors, actresses, and film stars. So really happy to be here.
I have to say it's kind of surreal for me because you hear of. It goes on. First of all, I never wanted to be an actor. Then I became an actor. And then I'd only heard of all these cities and I'd never been to them. And then I traveled to them only for holidays. And then working here is, it's like just kind of going up the ladder for me. And it just really feels amazing that I was chosen as a representative this year. Every year they choose, the best people who've done some great work that year. And it just feels good that this year it's me. I really feel special.
इन सेलिब्रिटीज की प्रेजेंस ने इस इवेंट पर 4 चांद लगा दिए और हर साल की तरह इस साल भी इंडिया डे परेड अपने ही अंदाज में रहा काफी स्पेशल। फॉर मधुरिता मुखर्जी, ज़ूम, न्यूयॉर्क।